Welcome to the State of the Escritoire. Today we have the fortuitous event of not just one, but two new arrivals. But first, what else is going on? Well, I've been using this Ridge. There you go, you can see it. I've been using this Ridge pen, and I will have the review for you up in a week or two. Also, I got this cool new watch, and it uses old technology from the 50s, those tubes with different filaments that you can see there that light up. And it's really cool and it's really nifty, and I'll get to that at some point to let you know more about it. But on to today's happenings. So we have two. The first unboxing is going to be from Fourth Kind Pens. Fourth Kind makes an amazing pen. All right, let's get into it. Nice. All right, let's dig in. Sweet. He said he was going to make me a keychain in the same theme as the pen. I love the Fourth Kind of branding with the aliens. I've always been a Star Trek geek and I love sci-fi. But let's keep going. Yes. Look at that. Kevin Zog made the blank. Kevin Zog is the man. He's a newcomer to the blank market, but he does stellar work. And this blank went to Fourth Kind Pens to turn. This model is called the Obelisk, and this is insane. I love the feel. I love the girth. I love everything about it. And also these extra little pieces there are actually glow-in-the-dark material from Kevin Zog as well. So this as well. So this entire material is basically Kevin Zog blanks with a nice aluminum section too. I had this one sent without a nib to save a little bit of money, and because I have so many nibs just hanging around, I'm going to put something nice on this. Check out that beautiful resin. Just for fun, I figured I'd show you guys. These are all just nibs that are not on pens right now that I have. I've got some box over here, all Yovos over here, and I'm going to grab, I'm looking for the 1.5 stub. Back into it. I love how he uses different metal sections, and I'm kind of excited to play around because these are both different aluminum sections, but they have different designs. And so far, I'm actually digging this one more as far as the feel. But that's a really cool, nifty thing that Fourth Kind Pens does. All right, so I found the nib I was looking for. This is a custom grind 1.5 stub that was ground to an metallic. So it's a specialty grind. You can see how sharp that is. It's like a little beak. And so you really have to monitor your handling of the nib, but it results in a beautiful, beautiful line variation when you put effort into it. This actually was just upgraded with a new ebonite feed and housing from Flexible Nib Factory. So let's go ahead and put that into our Fourth Kind pen. And once this is together, that's going to be fun. So now that this is set with an awesome nib, I'm going to put this one aside for now. Our next pen, our next new arrival, hails from North Carolina, and this is from Parrish Penworks. I saw this and I wanted it because I'm putting together a new type of EDC flavor, if you will. I'm looking for more shipwrecked things, which is like a copper with a forced patina, which has these kind of greens and other tones in there. So here we go. Beautiful wax seal. little sticker. Nice little bag. Classy. Nice. It comes out more teal in real life than it's showing here on camera. It's a little bit more blue on camera. This is exactly what I was going for with that kind of copper shipwrecked blues and greens tones. Let's go under the hood. Underneath, we've got a Yovo Omniflex nib, the same one I basically just gave away. This guy actually had in stock to put on his pen. So compared to the regular nibs, I was like, yes, I jumped on that. This is I would say definitely a step up from the regular kind of, fine, medium, broad nibs. This has a little bit of flex and a little bit of bounce. So it was super cool. He had this in stock. Can't wait to use this. And I'm going to try and put together, like I said, kind of a shipwrecked copper EDC, as it were. Two brand new pens for the collection. Thank you for coming along on the journey, unboxing both of these beauties, and stay tuned for my newer, currently inked, so you can see what I actually ink these bad boys up with. I found an extra awesome decal in there too. Love that seal, by the way. Thank you for coming along on the unboxing of the Fourth Kind and Parrish Penworks pens. Take care, everybody, and as always, may your journey lead to your own personal serenity.